This DIY is quick, easy, and affordable. You will only need 3 items: a bicycle wheel ring, tomato container lids, and a round styrofoam. Start by gluing the styrofoam in the center of the bicycle wheel wreath ring. Glue the yellow lids right around the styrofoam onto the wheel ring. Turn the final lid on the opposite side and glue it onto the styrofoam. Spray the entire wall decor gold. And there you have it, super quick and easy, a beautiful statement piece that looks amazing and most importantly, did not cost much. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed this budget-friendly DIY. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, share this video with a friend, and until next time, elevate your space, not your spending.